Günther Lütjens began his career on a destroyer during World War I. Later, he was assigned as a commander on cruiser Karlsruhe. In 1940, he was promoted to the position of fleet commander. He participated in Atlantic raids on battleships Scharnhorst and Gneisenau, and finally died on battleship Bismarck. In World of Warships, Günther Lütjens is a new, unique historical commander. He's equally effective on all types of ships, having a particular talent for each of them. Upon earning 100 secondary battery hits ribbons, the secondary armament expert talent enhances one of the main features of German battleships, their powerful secondary battery guns, speeding up their reload time by 15%. The Iron Strike talent activates upon earning 140 main battery hits ribbons. It speeds up the main battery reload time by 7.5%, which will be very helpful for cruisers. The Air Superiority talent will be useful for aircraft carriers. Upon earning 30 rocket hits, bomb hits, or torpedo hits ribbons, aircraft servicing will speed up by 10%. While these three talents can only be activated once per battle, the Exemplary Reconnaissance talent can be activated each and every time you earn 3 spotted ribbons. This talent restores 300 HP per second, with its action time in seconds being equal to the ship's tier. For example, for Tier 8 destroyer Z-23, the duration is 8 seconds, allowing the ship to recover 2,400 HP. Due to the possibility of activating it multiple times, this talent will be especially useful for destroyers. Additionally, Günther Lütjens has a set of enhanced skills: preventative maintenance, expert marksman, and finally, improved engine boost. This new historical commander is available in the armory in exchange for 175,000 coal. If you're fond of German ships, Günther Lütjens is surely your choice.